For our hike of the week, we're in the Blue Ridge Parkway in North Carolina. We're going to do a couple of different trails. First one's a short one up to Devil's Courthouse. You see the mountain there. Beautiful views from there. Another great day for a hike. It's about 53 degrees at the moment. Partly cloudy. Awesome views all day long. Short trail, paved, very steep. Have to take your time. As you get near the top, the pavement ends, and then short walk on up to the summit of Devil's Courthouse. Here we are at the Devil's Courthouse. Beautiful views. Amazing. 360 degree. Awesome mountains.
Go in there. Can I see over the wall? I guess the CCC.
Yeah, go over there in that corner over there, can't you? Yeah, go where Tony is and just look over.
Now we've moved over to Black Balsam Road, to the Black Balsam Knob hike, Artlope Trail, across Black Balsam and then Tennent Mountain, and down to Ivester Gap and back up the trail. Ivester Gap, sort of an old railroad bed trail, back to our starting point here. A big loop trail. Beautiful hike. Oh, we're at a great viewpoint here. A little knob before you get up to Black Balsam Knob.
Everything's great view.
Yes.
Tony.
Okay, we're on the top of Black Balsam Knob. Awesome mountain views every direction. Today we do have some low-hanging clouds obscuring the views to the east. We can't see the last rock, but it's really still some nice, awesome views here.
You can barely see. Yeah, you're in the blue area.
We're headed on over to Tennent Mountain.
I think those are leaves.
We can look down in the valley here and actually see some reds. Some trees are changing. Fall is in the air.
I can't hardly stand it. I never knew it was like this. I've been out in the Rockies. This is about as good as it gets.
And we're at the top of Tennent Mountain.
Where have you been or where going?
Shiny Rock.
We're going over to Shiny Rock.
Amazing views here. 6,040 feet elevation.
How far are you guys going?
Video. We're walking across the ridge from Tennent Mountain. We'll go down to the other side to Iverster Gap. Oh, this is terrain like we don't normally see. Looks like maybe Scotland or some of the hills over there. Now we're on the Iverster Gap Trail back to the parking lot. It's really an old railroad bed.
One of the oldest ones, yeah. It's a bright day.